city of dreams, city of lights. Manhattan is the heart of the city where everybody is so busy. But still, Times Square is the place where people weave their dreams, the American dream. This video is all about colors of Times Square. People of the city, I was mesmerized by the environment around that. I was speechless.
So finally, I'm at Times Square, the destination where I want to be always in New York is the Times Square. I love this place. I love the aura of this place. I love Manhattan, and it's like nice being here.
Where you from? Where you from? Bolivia? Everybody make some noise for Bolivia! I'm serious, we're just joking, guys. Now New York City, this right here is the grand finale of our show. We are going over, not under. But before we do this jump, which is the grand finale, you are money and we love you. Even if you're generous to donate 20 bucks, thank you, I love you. All right. I want to start with this guy right here. Sir, step on up, buddy.
Oh, you guys playing?
We just...
Yeah. Ready, game. Here he goes! With
And finally, we are at this place which everyone is crazy about. People around the world, talk about this. The Manhattan, world famous. And we are right at the top of Times Square. And you can see it's all crowded. Like, I'm standing here and I can see people crazy, having fun, shows, everything. Immense variety of colors you can see all around. And it feels as an achievement, as a success. Okay, we are here. Wow.
To you, feeling your heart beating, and I'm wondering what you're dreaming, wondering if it's me you see it, and then I kiss you out and think I'm together. And I just wanna stay with you in this moment forever. Is there thinking, even when I dream of you, the sweetest thing never do, I still miss you, babe. I just wanna be with you, out here with you, just like you. I just wanna hold you close, be your heart close to mine. Even when I dream of you, the sweetest thing never do, I still miss you, babe. I don't wanna miss you, babe. No, I don't. I sleep there. I don't wanna miss a bed. And even when I dream of you, the sweetest thing never do, I still miss you, babe.
I'm from Israel. I used to be a physicist. I have a master of physics degree from Weizmann Institute in Israel.
What's your name?
Yigal Sternklar, that's my name. And 3 years ago I decided I'm going fully into music. So my first record is out, and I've been busking since then, in Israel mostly, and now I'm trying it over here. That's it.
Great.
Wish me luck.
Yeah, all the best, man. All the best. All the viewers of my channel gonna give you the blessings.
Okay, I love that.
What about the song you're going to
Okay,
sing?
I know that Indians really like this song. It's called, I'll surprise you.
Okay.
Can I surprise you with the song?
Okay, thank you.
تملي معك ولو حتى بعيدا، في قلبي هواك. تملي معك، تملي في بالي وفي قلبي ولا بنساك. تملي وحشني لو حتى بكون وياك. تملي معك ولو حتى بعيدا، في قلبي هواك. تملي معاك، تملي في بالي وقلبي ولا بنساك. تملي وحشني لو حتى بكون وياك. تملي حبيبي بشتاقلك، تملي عنايا بتندالك، ولو حواليا كليتي بكون يا حبيبي محتاجلك. تملي حبيبي بشتاقلك، تملي عنايا بتندالك، ولو حواليا كليتي بكون يا حبيبي.
From Israel to India, here in New York.
After Times Square, we went to Bryant Park, which is located between 40th and 42nd Street in Midtown Manhattan. It's walking distance from the Times Square. What are you eating, Shubhi?
This is Jerusalem sandwich.
Jerusalem sandwich. Okay, it contains, I think,
Hummus, guaca,
okay.
some veggies.
What he is drinking?
Iced chocolate.
And this is a turkey burger. And I have my sangria. This city never sleeps, and Times Square is the place where world's costlier billboards are placed, which actually makes the place unique. This kind of epic scene is usually in New York, as the hot gases from the subway train passages release through the manhole during winters. Now, what to say about street food? I will definitely try to make another video dedicated only to the street foods of Manhattan. It was an amazing day today in Times Square. We have experienced a lot of things. Shubhi, what is your experience? Like, we have been here a lot of times, but this is the time we are recording and we are coming as to explore the Times Square, right?
Yeah. What I think it's like energetic experience, city of lights, colors all around, people performing, and everyone is so lively. And there's something for everyone. There's something for little kids, for us, for elderly, whatever age group you are. There's something for each one of us. So it's good.
Yeah, the first snow I ever saw in America is in Times Square only, in 2018.
Oh,
Yeah.
crazy.
2017. 2017. So that's all for this video, and we will be soon coming with another video. Please subscribe and share our channel.